Fine. I'll do it myself.
Alright, so today we're going to be changing the windshield wiper blades on a 2011 Toyota Sienna. I think this works for basically all Toyota Siennas. And first, right off the bat, we're going to tackle the thing that everyone fails to tell you about, and that's the stupid cover. So for these Michelin ones, all you do is push down the little button and then rip it off. It feels like you're going to break it, and honestly, that's fine. So the rest, it's just on a J-hook, so you just pull it down. See how it's basically a little Sly Cooper hook, and the blade's going to get stuck on it, and you just rip it off. Super easy. I'm making it look way harder than it actually is. And the other side is exactly the same. And for these new ones from like Temu or whatever, you push on the sides and then you just pull this plastic part up. In all the videos on how to change windshield wiper blades, they always have the covers off already. And in my opinion, taking the cover off is the hardest part because it feels like whatever you do is going to break. And you're probably not going to break the hook itself because it's like carbon fiber or whatever. So it's okay. And make sure to take the cover off and then gently put it back down because these things are spring loaded and you don't want to break your window. Alright, now we're going to change the rear windshield wiper, and this is kind of weird. You're going to want to play this little rhythm mini game I found. It's called Stop the Windshield Wiper Where You Want, because it's actually inside of the car normally. Alright, that looks good to me. Alright, and for the last part, you can see this thing has seen better days. This one's super easy. You just rotate it up. It shouldn't have the cover, and then you pop it out. Gently place that back down. That one is a lot stronger, and you just connect it back. It's basically like a little Lego piece. And yes, it's pollen season. This car is not super filthy. It's just the pollen. Gotta love the South. Alright, we're all done with that. Last step, very important, throw these little shits away.